Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Affinity apps like a pro in 2026. So if you want to master photo editing, vector design, and publishing all together, yeah, this guide will help you step by step. First, understand the three main tools. So Affinity Photo is for image editing, Affinity Designer is for logos and illustrations, and Affinity Publisher is for layouts like magazines and flyers. Now choose the right tool for your project. I mean, don't edit photos in Designer or build magazines in Photo. Each app has its own professional purpose. So yeah, professionals usually combine all three apps. For example, edit images in Photo, design logos in Designer, and assemble everything in Publisher. Next, always use layers and non-destructive editing. This lets you change anything later without ruining your original work. So yeah, learn keyboard shortcuts and use templates. This speeds up your workflow and makes you work like a professional designer. Finally, export in the right format. So use PNG for graphics, JPG for photos, SVG for vectors, and PDF for print work. And that's how to use Affinity apps like a pro in 2026. Once you understand workflows, layers, and the right tools, you can create professional-level designs much faster. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more design tutorials.